your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Hey, John. Well, we have got some much needed rain, but everybody's wondering about this winter weather. When is that timeline coming in?
Once the sun goes down, we'll say that's when the temperatures are going to start to drop, and then overnight we'll be getting down to freezing, and everything probably changing over to freezing rain from these liquid showers we've got now. That'll be occurring probably around 3 o'clock in the morning, so prepare for that. Right now, as we look in Longview, we are still getting some showers. It's cloudy, of course. 51 degrees the temperature, northeast winds at 6, and so far just 1/100th of an inch of rain in the Longview range gauge at this point. Now, winter storm warning is going to go into effect today at 6 o'clock this evening around sunset, and that will last until noon on Sunday. It's mainly right now for the northern 2/3 of the area, but it'll probably include the southern portions as we see this wintry mix move southward across the area. Futurecast shows that we do have the rain right now, and then later on around 6 o'clock we'll start to see those colder temperatures show up there along I-30. So you could start to get some of that mix along that I-30 corridor from Sulphur Springs over to Mount Pleasant and Texarkana, maybe even as far south as Mineola and Gilmer by that time. The rest of it to the south of that will continue to be liquid until those colder temperatures arrive, but they'll continue to make their way on to the south. And as we can see that by Saturday midnight in the morning, we'll see a good bit of that winter mix beginning to show up. As we go through the overnight hours, here comes more in from the west as we've got a good flow of moisture overrunning this very shallow but very cold air mass that'll be setting up across East Texas. So, by 7 o'clock in the morning, you'll see those temperatures down near freezing and below in most cases, way below as you go up to the I-30 corridor there, 19 degrees there at Mount Pleasant. By noontime on Saturday, we are seeing our temperatures in the 20s as well, so that winter mix will have no trouble continuing to make kind of a nasty, icy weekend for East Texas. Saturday afternoon, we'll see that moisture and that winter mix continue going on through the deep East Texas area. It will continue Saturday night into Sunday. This is Sunday midnight, and you see we're still getting that winter mix, and you look off to the west, there's more moisture coming in, and that's going to be continuing to pass over the area there Sunday morning. By midday on Sunday, most of what's falling will be moving out of the area. Looks like we might be looking at a few snow showers that would be occurring there about midday on Sunday, but then as we go on into the afternoon, those will be moving on out. We begin to clear out Monday, but that's going to make for some very cold temperatures early Monday, as we'll see temperatures in the single digits for lows. Freezing rain accumulation we're expecting through Sunday, 1/4 to 1/2 inch in the northern 2/3 of the area, and up to 1/4 of an inch down in deep East Texas. And as far as the rain and the snow and the sleet, we expect to see 2 to 4 inches perhaps accumulating along I-30, about 1 inch to 2 inches along the I-20 corridor, less than 1 inch accumulation expected in the south, but we'll have ice pretty much accumulating in various parts of East Texas. Temperatures right now still well above freezing, at least we're warm going into this event coming up, and forecast lows for Saturday morning say we're not going to be warm very long, as we'll see those low temperatures getting down into the 20s there for Saturday morning. Forecast for today, rain showers continue with the temperature around 51. We've probably reached that in wherever you might be so far. And tonight, showers will be changing to freezing rain, usually about 3 o'clock in the morning generally across the area. 24 degrees expected low, and we go 28 for the high tomorrow. So freezing rain and sleet will be continuing on Saturday. By Sunday, we'll see the freezing rain and sleet in the morning coming to an end as we get into the afternoon, and we'll have sunshine with our temperatures trying to warm up, but probably not making it above freezing until we get to Tuesday afternoon. Deep East Texas, you'll have that winter mix through the weekend as well, but starting to get warmer early next week. You can check the forecast anytime at KETK.com.
John,